Okay, folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make just some cheap, low-cost bird feed. If you buy this stuff in Walmart, or if you just buy bird feed as bird feed, that crap is expensive. So I make my own, and here's how I do it. I've got, even that little economy bag, it says economy bird feed at Walmart. A little pound, I guess 2 pounds of that maybe. That crap's 5, 6, $7. Man. So this is what, 40 pounds of chicken scratch, fancy chicken scratch. Not just regular run of the mill chicken scratch. This is fancy chicken scratch. Don't ask me what the difference is because I have no idea. I've been buying this stuff 50 years and I still don't know the difference between fancy and not. So anyway, you go to the feed store, get you a bag of scratch. Oddly enough, a few rural Walmarts carry scratch for about the same price as the feed store. Ours doesn't. I got a pretty Rhode Island red on the front. I don't know if y'all see that. Where this is made. I don't want to know where it's made. Just open the bag, Don. Open the bag here. I'm not going to open it all the way because I won't use all this. I've been looking, oddly enough, I guess metal trash cans, galvanized trash cans, are a victim of the stack up of supplies offshore or whatever, because I have been looking now for over a month for a metal galvanized trash can to put my bird feed in. Haven't found one yet. Next thing I do, I need some black oil sunflower seeds. Just it. Now this was bought at Walmart. It was expensive. This was $12 for 40 or 50 pounds. 40 pounds probably. It wasn't that heavy. This was about the same price. This is 10 pounds. I probably won't use all of it. But when I mix it, it's small. You can get your 5-gallon bucket to do this in. I prefer a large trash can so I can mix it all. But basically, when I do a large trash can full, I use a bag of scratch, bag of black oil sunflower seeds, mix them up real well, and that's my bird feed. So, but today, on a smaller scale, I'm just going to do a 1-to-1, and this is what the fancy looks like. It's just millet and chopped corn. Now I can get the lid on. There we go. Get my pocket knife out and open the black oil seed. If you got any chickens, you don't want to do this around them, because I think they will own it. They will help you in ways you don't need help. So, just take and then just coffee can, whatever you got, 1-to-1 ratio. So I get this thing full until I run out of seeds. And I was going to buy the sunflower seeds. Also, you can buy them 40 pounds, and they're usually 15 to 20 bucks for 40 pounds. And this is as good as any bird feed you can buy. It's a lot cheaper. And this will last me months. But like I said, the economy stuff you buy that's what this is. Just scratch, basically. Okay. That's, as you can see, pretty full. Sometimes I don't put that much in there, so I can shake it up. And as you use it, shake it up and get it mixed up real good. And this is about what I end up with. Just reach in there and mix it up pretty good. That's pretty much what it looks like when I get it all mixed up. Quick, simple, and inexpensive compared to commercial bird feed. And this is, you know, this is bird feed. It just costs a lot less if you do it this way versus going out and buying it. So there's just a way to save more money on the homestead. And in a pinch, your chickens and your domestic birds can eat it. So anyway, I hope y'all got something out of this. If you did, please like and subscribe. The All 1 Acre Homesteader. I'm out of here.